Good morning, children. How are you all? I am again back with the class of English of upper nursery. In your previous consecutive classes, I was going on with the missing letters but in small hands. Let me show you. Till Z, I have already completed. And in that class only, I have announced that today I will take the revision. Yes, of course, revision in missing letters only, but it will be in capital letter. I have already taught you how to write the capital letters, so today is a revision. Let me start the class. See how I made the exam. This is A. Then I made a dash. C dash. E dash. G dash. I dash. K and dash. Today up to here. So children, I have always told you to get practice at home. I thought that you have already practiced. So let me start. You have to tell me which are the alphabets will be placed in this filling the blanks. This is A. After A it comes B. Yes. B. Then C. After C, yes, very good, D. So if you forget, start from the beginning. I have always told you like this you will follow. A, B, C, D, E, then F. Very good. G, then H. Very good. Then this is forgot, children. So you can start from the beginning. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Very good. J, K, after K, L. Very good. See, we have completed till L. So how will you practice at home? You have to write. This is for the parents. You will write like this. Parents, please help your kids to get revised the missing letters in capital form. This is A dash C dash E dash F G dash I dash K dash. So you will ask your kids to fill up the blanks. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. As because capital letters are quite easy, children can solve it very fast. So likewise, I always gives you homework. This is for the parents. You will write the heading at the top, missing letters, and you will write the alphabets like this, and you will make a dash, and after making dash you will ask your kids to fill up the blanks, and you will see that they are writing in the correct form, in a correct way or not. Please follow this, and if not, do practice at home. Only one page homework. So the next class I will do the rest of the alphabets in the missing form. Okay, rest of the alphabets in the missing form as revision. So today the class is up to here. Get practice at home, get revised, stay safe, stay secure at home. Thank you, children.